Hello everyone, and if you own a Sony FX30 camera and want the best cinematic image straight out of the camera with almost no color grading, this setup is for you. Today I'm showing my favorite picture profile 11 settings using S-Cinetone for travel videos, lifestyle content, and YouTube creators who want fast workflow with premium results. Start with picture profile 11, which uses the Sony S-Cinetone gamma and color mode. I'll just click on it. This already gives us beautiful skin tones and natural contrast. Now let's improve it. We'll set black gamma to white and level to -1. This gives rich shadows without crushing details. For knee, we'll use manual mode. Go down to manual set. We'll set point to 87.5% and slope to -1. This helps protect highlights like skies, clouds, and bright outdoor scene. Color mode, we are on S-Cinetone, and saturation we'll set it to +2 for more vibrant colors that still looks natural. Now in color pace, we'll set it to +1 for a warmer, healthier skin tone. With color depth, we'll set red to +1, green to +1 as well, blue we'll put it at +2, cyan to +1, magenta we'll keep it at 0, and yellow -2. We'll exit. For detail, we'll set it to -3. This removes the overly digital sharp Sony look and gives a cleaner cinematic image. This final result is sharp where it matters, soft where it should be, with rich colors and beautiful contrast straight from the camera. Perfect for travel videos, handheld cinematic shots, YouTube shorts, and fast editing. No lot, no heavy grading, just clean professional footage. If you found it useful, subscribe to Global Jet Pilot for more Sony FX30 settings, creator tips, and cinematic travel content.